how to set an MP3 song or audio file as a default notification sound for all apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, make sure you have already downloaded an MP3 song. You can transfer an MP3 song or an audio file from your computer, or if you share it, you can download it from the web, or you can download it from an archive. So once you have downloaded an MP3 song, it usually go into the download folder. So at this point, what you want to do is from the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, tap on the Samsung folder, then open up My Files. In My Files, I have downloaded some recent files, as you can see here, but you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen of My Files. If you place your MP3 songs in a particular folder, you need to navigate to that folder. So for example, you can go to internal storage, then go to the folder that you have your songs. Here you can go to music, for example. In my case, I'll go to download because I have downloaded some songs in here. So once you're in here, touch and hold on the song or an MP3 file or an audio file. After that, tap on copy or move. So I will select copy and then go to the top here and tap on internal storage. Then we scroll down and we tap on notifications folder. So go into this folder and then tap on copy here. Okay, so the song has now been copied to the notifications folder in here. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Okay, the next step is we're going to assign the new MP3 song as a notification sound. So swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. After that, scroll down and then tap on sounds and vibration. In here, tap on notifications sound and scroll down and go to the top. There should be a section called custom. In here, you can select your custom MP3 song. And that's it. This will be used as a notification sound. And this will apply to all the apps. So this is a global settings on your device. So it will apply to all the apps on your device. If you want to apply a specific settings to an individual app, then you can go back to settings, go down to apps, and in here you can also open up an app, calendar, and then tap on notifications, and then we scroll down and tap on notification categories. Then choose a category. So I will choose general notifications. Then we scroll down and then choose sound. In here, we can also choose spring in my step. If you have any other custom sound, you can apply a different ringtone sound to that. So these are the default notification sounds. So if you want to use the default settings, you can choose default notification sound. So whenever you change a sound in the global settings, it will apply throughout all your apps. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.